Hello dear learners, today we are going to talk about one of the most important chapter given in your class 11th English book, that is Hornbill, The Portrait of a Lady. आज हम इस चैप्टर को डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे और हम देखेंगे इस हर वो पॉइंट जो हमारे एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, हम समझेंगे हर वो पॉइंट, हर वो चीज जो राइटर हमें डिलीवर करना चाहता है हर चैप्टर को. देखो, whenever you are reading any chapter, your target is not only your target should not only to study the chapter, it must be your target should also be to understand the real theme and the message which is being delivered by the writer through this chapter. अगर हम portrait of the lady की बात करें तो through this chapter writer has tried to highlight a very important issue, you can say burning issue of our society, modern society. वो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? वो प्रॉब्लम है isolation of parents, isolation of grandparents from grandchildren, and which is one of the reason of their sorrow, which is one of the reason of their getting old very fast, and it is one of the reason of to be sad for them. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, अभी मॉडर्नाइजेशन की वजह से ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एक साथ नहीं रह पाते, which is used to happen earlier. अगर आप 10 to 20 year back जाएंगे तो you'll find grandchildren used to live with their grandparents, but अभी क्या हो गया, due to modernization, everybody is moving from village to city, and when grandson move with their parents to city, what happen? They get detached from the grandparents village में छूट जाते हैं और फिर children शहर में आ जाते हैं, and it is not only, ऐसा नहीं कि वो ऐसा willingly कर रहे हैं, this is happening because of the so many multiple reasons. It may be for educational purpose they are coming outside and then they are moving away. ठीक है, some other conditions. ठीक है. So through this chapter, Khushwant Singh has tried to portray the picture of his own grandmother, अपने grandmother का picture वो दिखाना चाहते हैं, and he want to show the bond between. He want to show his relationship with his grandmother. Actually, the grandmother of Khushwant Singh is representative of all the grandmother. ठीक है, and Khushwant Singh is representative of our grandson or grandchildren, right? Chapter start होता है with the introduction of Khushwant Singh grandmother. Khushwant Singh who lived with his grandmother in his childhood in the village of Punjab. And after that, what happened? At that time, his parents were in city, and then after some time they returned back and they took grandmother and Khushwant Singh to the city. और जब वो ग्रैंडमदर को और खुशवंत सिंह को शहर लेके जाते हैं, then there is change came. There is a great change came in the relationship of खुशवंत सिंह and grandmother, right? तो ये सारी चीजें इस चैप्टर के अंदर है, और directly, indirectly, you can say directly, खुशवंत सिंह try to drop a message, direct message to everyone that we should try to be in touch with our grandparents. हमें अपने grandparents से टच में रहना चाहिए because they need you for their happiness, right? चलिए देखते हैं. There are, I will tell you the character and so many other things which are essential. देखो, what are the character in the chapter? Character number 1 is grandmother. ये grandmother है कौन? She is the grandmother of Khushwant Singh, obviously old, religious, kind-hearted, loving. ये quality है grandmother की. Short, fat, slightly bent. Obviously बात है 80 year की है तो थोड़ी सी bend है physically. Always dressed in white, right? Spent her time doing prayer and feeding sparrow. और grandmother का time कैसे पास होता था? After house activity, after domestic activity, वो chanting करती थी और she used to feed the sparrow in the city and doggies in the village when she was in the village. Representing traditional Indian value. और ये क्या दिखा रहा है? ये दिखा रहा है grandmother क्या दिखा रही है? She is representing, she is the reflector of traditional Indian culture. ठीक है, where grandmother, grandparents play a very important role in the life of grandchildren. Next is narrator Khushwant Singh himself, जो ये पूरी कहानी बताते हैं. Grandson of grandmother, ये story में जो grandmother है उनकी grandson Khushwant Singh. Actually, grandmother is the grandmother of Khushwant Singh. Loves his grandmother. Obviously, Khushwant Singh, I told you, he is the representative of the grandchildren. सारे grandchildren अपने grandmother को प्यार करते हैं. ये हम सब जानते हैं, because of situation they had to, and condition and circumstances they had to go away, otherwise they don't want. Describe her affection and simplicity. और खुशवंत सिंह क्या दिखाते हैं? खुशवंत सिंह बताते हैं अपने love और care को for his grandmother. ठीक है. Next is narrator parents, means खुशवंत सिंह के father हैं इसमें. ठीक है. They spent They sent him to English school. They live in city. और उसके बाद जब वो पैसे अर्न करने लगते हैं, they came back and खुशवंत सिंह और grandmother को लेके शहर जाते हैं. After that, खुशवंत सिंह join English medium school और फिर बहुत सारे changes होते हैं. Repeated modern education and changing society. ये modern education system को, modern society को, modern education system को, and आप कह सकते हो modern problem को भी दिखाता है कि how the because of modernization people are getting detached from their own kith and kin, from their own grandparents. ठीक है, इस स्टोरी में आपको स्पैरो भी मिलेगा. स्पैरो इज सिंबल ऑफ लव, पीस एंड ग्रैंडमदर्स गाइडेंस. So these are the character in the chapter. अगर हम थीम की बात करें, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन रिलेशनशिप की बात होती है, लव एंड अफेक्शन की बात होती है, ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यू वर्सेस मॉडर्न एजुकेशन सिस्टम. कहते मॉडर्नाइजेशन हमारी ट्रेडिशनल वैल्यू को इम्पैक्ट और इफेक्ट और चेंज कर रहा है, विलिंगली ना हो लेकिन अनविलिंगली, कंडीशनल जो भी है, बट वो राइट है हैपनिंग, राइट. चेंज एंड सेपरेशन, चेंज और सेपरेशन की बात की गई. डेथ एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी की बात की गई. What is the key point of the chapters? देखो, grandmother and grandson share close relationship in the village. They are very close. Grandmother wake up Kushwant Singh is her grandson early for the school, preparing for the school and accompanying. केवल तैयार नहीं करती थी, उसके साथ भी जाती थी. They move to the city. उसके बाद क्या होता था? They move to the city and their relationship gradually change. उनकी जो relationship है वो change हो जाती है. Narrator joined English medium school, मतलब खुशवंत सिंह इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. लेटर यूनिवर्सिटी. ग्रैंडमदर बिकम लोनली एंड स्पेंड हर टाइम प्रेइंग. और ग्रैंडमदर क्या होता है फिर, जो खुशवंत सिंह अब्रॉड चले जाते हैं तो अकेले घर पे रहती है सिटी वाले हाउस में, और बरामदे में बैठ के क्या करती है, प्रे करती है, चॉन्टिंग करती है और स्पैरो खिलाती. बिफोर गोइंग अब्रॉड द नरेटर टुक हर ब्लेसिंग. और जब खुशवंत सिंह अब्रॉड जाते हैं तो ग्रैंडमदर की ब्लेसिंग लेते हैं, और उनको ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज द लास्ट मीटिंग with grandmother because grandmother is so is the jealous chance of meeting her after 5 years. खुशवंत सिंह 5 year के लिए बाहर गए थे. She died peacefully after praying continuously. उसके बाद जब खुशवंत सिंह वापस आते हैं, खुशवंत सिंह found grandmother back. Grandmother उनका इंतजार कर रही थी. She was very happy and she played drum and all, and after that she had fallen ill. और फिर क्या होती है, उनकी डेथ हो जाती है. 100 of sparrows gathered silently after her death. तो ये जो थीम है, जो की पॉइंट्स है, ये सारे हैं my dear of this chapter. Now let's see some other fact of the chapter. Let me start the chapter from the beginning. अब थोड़ी beginning से देखते हैं और इसको और अच्छे से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, right? See, the chapter start with the Kushwant Singh introduction of Kushwant Singh. Kushwant Singh बताते हैं कि he tells that my grandmother, she looks 80. She is 80 and she seems to be 80 from many years. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उनकी एज क्या होगी, रुक गई, और she is as it is from many years, right? There is a photograph of Kushwant Singh father also, which was hanged in the house and on the wall. और someone जब उनको कोई बोलता है कि he is your grandfather, तो खुशवंत सिंह was not ready to understand, take it, accept this point, because उनको लगता है कि by seeing the photograph of grandfather, उनको ऐसा लगता है कि grandfather, the man in the photograph is having a big turban and big beard and trouser and heavy personality. He can't be the grandfather, my grandfather, and he can't be the husband of my grandmother also. ना तो husband हो सकते हैं, ना तो grandfather हो सकते हैं. He could be forefather, ठीक है, great grandfather of 100 grandson. ऐसा खुशवंत सिंह को लगता है कि खुशवंत सिंह उस समय छोटे थे, उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग उतनी नहीं थी. One more thing, people used to tell Kushwant Singh that your grandmother used to be very beautiful lady when she was very young. This was also a very questionable, unacceptable point for Kushwant Singh. उनको भी लगता था कि मेरी grandmother, क्योंकि Kushwant Singh had, you can see your grandmother in young age, right? आप फोटोग्राफ देख सकते हैं अगर हो, otherwise you can't, ठीक है. So Kushwant Singh was not ready to accept this point also, but he noted yes, but he was ready to accept this point that yes, my grandmother really she was 80, but still she is very very beautiful. Her white hair, her white cheeks cover her, and she looks very very unique, right? And after that, Kushwant Singh started telling that my grandmother used to prepare me for the school. She makes breakfast for me and give a chapati. And after that, she used to go to the with Kushwant Singh to Kushwant Singh school, which was nearby temple. वो कुशवंत सिंह के साथ जाती थी उनके स्कूल में और वहां पे बैठती थी till Kushwant Singh cover finish his class, and when school get over, then she used to come back with Kushwant Singh. And then they used to come back together from the school. What this she used to do? She used to give stale chapati. She actually grandmother used to keep a few stale chapati, मतलब with her, and वो stale chapati used to give to the street dog. जब वो स्कूल से वापस आते तो उसको pieces में divide करती थी. She used to give to the street dog. और dogs used to follow grandmother and Kushwant Singh barking and fighting और in here eat करते थे. So everything was good in village. And but suddenly what happened? Parents of Kushwant Singh came back from the city and they took both of them to the city. And in the city, Kushwant Singh and grandmother live in same room. And after that, Kushwant Singh has joined English medium school. अब क्या हो गया? पूरा change हो गया. Kushwant Singh used to go school in a bus. And in school, everything was taught in English medium, जो grandmother को पसंद नहीं आता था. And one day, Kushwant grandmother asked, "What did you study in school?" Kushwant Singh ने बताया कि मैं science पढ़ा, physics पढ़ा, and music and dance also. No spiritual teaching. And this point was the grandmother did not like, and because of this reason she did not like English medium school. कि school में कोई भी religious और moral teaching नहीं हो रही, only science, dance and music, all these things. And grandmother think that music and dance is not a work, not a skill for elite class people. It is for a certain group जो डांस करते हैं, डांस परफॉर्म करते हैं. ये हमारे जैसे अच्छे परिवार के बच्चों के लिए नहीं. So that's why Kushwant Singh grandmother was not happy with the English medium school of the city. Now slowly, what happened? Grandmother become isolated. Kushwant Singh got mature. He joined college, and after that he had to go to abroad. ठीक है, Kushwant Singh को abroad जाना था for further study. Grandmother went to the station to say bye to Kushwant Singh, and she kissed at the forehead of Kushwant Singh. Kushwant Singh को ऐसा लगा कि ये last touch है for my grandmother with me, क्योंकि she is 80 plus and I'm going for 5 years, and after that I will back. I hope she might not be alive. But you know what happened when Kushwant Singh returned back? He found that grandmother was still alive, and grandmother was very, very happy. She called the neighboring lady, वो आस पड़ोस की महिलाओं को बुलाती, and she sang the song of warriors. She played the drum or sang song very loudly. All the members of the family requested grandmother not to yell loudly, not to sing loudly, but grandmother kept on singing. And after that, what happened? She had fallen in. And in city, grandmother used to spend 30 minutes with sparrow every day. She used to sprinkle beads and all eating material to the sparrow, and they used to sit on the soldiers and head up grandmother. Or grandmother never minded. वो कभी इनको हटाती नहीं थी. And these sparrow in the city, they were very friendly with grandmother, right? And at last, what happened when after that grandmother got ill and she had fallen, she had got died, right? And after that, grandmother body was put on the floor in the veranda, and thousands of sparrows they came and they sat beside the dead body of grandmother silently. Kushwant Singh की जो mother थी, उन्होंने क्या किया? She had thrown a piece of chapati for the birds, but they did not eat it. When the dead body of Kushwant Singh mother had been taken away, Kushwant Singh grandmother had been taken away, then the birds flew away and they did not eat a single piece of chapati. It means they were very emotional. They were also sad. Sparrow भी क्या थी? दुखी थी on the death of grandmother, right? And next day when the sweeper came, he found the chapati over there and outside of the veranda. In this way, this is the end of the chapter. और ये chapter हमें एक direct message देता है कि we should try, though we are busy in our life in modern time, but we must try to keep our grandparent with us, because without us they feel isolated, and this isolation may cause different type of problem to our grandparents, like mental, physical, happiness, loss of all these things. और अगर हम उन्हें थोड़ा समय दें, though we are busy, that will be the source of happiness of the. This is a direct message given by Kushal Singh from this chapter. So this is all. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, आप मुझे comment section में लेके I will help you. And which chapter next you want from my side to be explained, you can write me. I'll definitely upload that in my next video. Till then, you keep studying, keep watching. Good luck.